idea! Parrot feet are just impossible. Are they really feet, or hands, or claws? Let's work it out. Parrots do not stand on feet, but rather on their toes. There are 4 of them, 2 forward, 2 back. This helps them climb trees with ease. When on a bough, the grasp is so strong that a bird can hang upside down and never fall. Parrots can climb not only trees, they are real acrobats. Parrots move and hold things with feet, just the way we do with hands. They even eat with feet. Or shall we call them hands now? Like us, parrots can be left and right-handed. It looks like this parrot is left-handed. Parrots sleep on one leg. They change legs at a time. This is how they give rest to their legs. When it comes to walking, most parrots waddle clumsily. What funny footprints! Just look at this parrot! Wow! It is keen on dancing! Watch other logic-like videos to learn more about parrots and other birds.